Okay guys, we got the motor up here on this cherry picker, and I'm gonna put that new barbell right in here is where it goes. So I'm gonna dip it in some oil, get the O-ring wet, and be right back. Okay, we're gonna stick this bad boy in here. So you stick the other side, you put the O-ring inside last. So the O-ring's the last thing you push through. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick her on in there. It's always kind of a pain in the butt. You gotta push kind of hard. Little pop. Bam. Got it in there. So that's it. That's how you stick those in. Now I'm gonna stick the rear cover back on with the new gasket and everything, and torque it down to spec. And what I'm gonna do is basically just make sure I got it even with the bottom of the block, the back cover even with the bottom of the block. And that's it, and torque it down. Be that easy. So my battery's about to die. I'll have to get back with you.